guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cherry pie squishy, and I think it's really cute, and you can even do different flavors like blueberry or apple pie or even pumpkin pie, but I decided to do the classic cherry pie, so I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's just get started. And here are the materials, and the first thing that you're going to need, of course, is some foam, and I got my foam from a memory foam mattress, but what you can also use is density foam, which is actually what I used to use before. You're also going to need some toothpicks to mix your paint, or you can also use a paintbrush. And then you're going to need some puffy paint, which is also known as dimensional fabric paint. And these are the two brands that I use, Tulip and Scribbles. And lastly, you're going to need some scissors. So the first thing that you're going to do is just cut your foam into a triangle shape. And now you want to round off this edge. And now that you roughly have the shape of a cake slice, you're going to cut this edge inwards so that it's slanted and looks kind of like this. And now what I'm going to do is kind of similar to how I made the pizza squishy, if you saw that tutorial, but I'm going to try and make a crust and lower this edge right here. And now I'm going to round off the crust. And I'm also going to cut some ridges out of the crust so that it will look a little more detailed. And after you've shaped the crust, it's time to paint. And after the red paint has dried, it's time to work on the crust. And now we're going to use the rest of the paint to put on the crisscross pattern. And after it's dried, your pie slice squishy is finished. And even though it's pretty simple, I really like how it turned out. And if you guys make this, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!